Hey, Angela, I know this may seem weird, but I've gotten to where I do this with my students, and I feel like I can show you better than I could uh, tell you. So if you look over here, this is the website that you go to get to the textbook and the instructor materials. It's www.openstacks.org. I use the OpenStax textbook because it is free to the students. They can download it if they would like for free, and they can also access it online. I do not have a hard copy myself, but the students can buy a hard copy in the bookstore. So anyway, you go to subjects, go to science, and there's only one for Bio 111. It's biology, the second edition. This is the one we use. So the instructor resources, you need to make an account. You need to apply for an account. And if you click on instructor resources, it'll okay, like if you go on instructor resources and come down here and say that you want to access the PowerPoint slides. So this is another reason I'm showing it to you in a video, because I want to just actually show you, don't use these. These are the old slides. They're terrible. These are the new slides. So, and you may want to, I mean, this is a free product, so it's not as good as like Pearson or McGraw-Hill, some of their products like Connect and Mastering, but it's what we have and it's free to the students. So anyway, you can click on here to download, um, and it's letting me download. I thought maybe, okay, if you click on it to download it, it's not going to let you, and it'll give you the option to make an account and apply for an account. They'll give you an account, and then you can get to the instructor resources. But here are the PowerPoint slides that I use. I use them as is, although sometimes there's misspellings and that kind of thing, and I'll change those. And then here's the answer guide. This is the answer guide to the questions in the back of the chapters. And so here's what I do on Moodle is I give them quizzes each week. Now, for my online class, their assignments each week are to do a quiz after viewing the recorded lectures for the chapter. They do a quiz and they get graded for that, and that quiz is on Moodle. And I had to put it on Moodle, and I'm willing to let you use my quizzes. But all they are, I want to show you this. This is the book. So if I want to view it online, you can get a hard copy. Becky can get you a hard copy, but and students can get a hard copy of the book for $50. But I wanted to show you. So let's say I want to go to chapter, I don't know, 2, the chemistry chapter. I don't know why the contents is not coming up. Okay, here we go. So if I want to go to chapter 2 on the chemistry chapter, and I can come down here and click on the review questions and the critical thinking questions, visual connection questions, but they're questions at the end of the chapter. And I use those to make the quizzes. I just hand type them into Moodle. And then the answers are found. I mean, I've got the answers on Moodle now, but before, when I didn't have the answers are found in the instructor resources. So these are the answers to all the questions at the ends of the chapter guides. So that's the textbook part, and that's what I use to teach the lecture. And then I'm going to show you the lab manual. It's with, this is another one. If you want to get the instructor resources, you're going to have to apply for instructor access. But all you have to do is very easy. So you just register, like here when I applied, I said I teach by 111 and 112 along with Leslie Harrell and would like an account to access instructor resources for our lab manual. And that's how I did it. I gave them some information about myself, and then they gave me an account. Okay, so once I come here, to morton-pub.com. I hit browse our catalog, and then I go to biology, and I think it's the first book that comes up. Yes. Okay, so this is our lab manual. Here's the ISBN number, student price, and all that. And so this is what we use, and this is what I use in the hybrid class. Now, my online class, I use eScience Labs. But for my hybrid class, since we meet, I actually just do the labs in class, and I give them some virtual labs, and I'll show you where I get those virtual labs as well. But this is the lab manual. If I click on it, I can come here and I can get instructor resources. So I can get, I can go to each chapter. So I'll just do chapter 1, and it'll give me the answers to all the questions and, you know, how to set it up and all that stuff. So everything in red is the correct answers. All right, so that's for the lab manual. What else did I tell you? The lab manual, the textbook. Oh, okay, virtual labs. So I use Glencoe virtual labs to supplement the labs that I do in the classroom. And this is how I do it. So one that I just had my students do, I want to show you one that that you could do with Bio 111. Okay. Okay, so this is one I've done before to show the scientific method. How does the European corn borer affect the yield of corn? These are free. So I just click on that and allow Adobe Flash, whatever. Okay, so it gives you the instructions on the left side. The students figure it out really easy, and they can do these really fast. They're old, so they have glitches. They have little glitches. You have to work with them. Like sometimes you have to reset several times to get what you want. But anyway, what I do is it won't let you, because these are free, it won't let the students send this to you. It won't let them print it. It won't let them send it, submit it, nothing. So I just make my own table on a Word document, and then I take the journal questions, and there's 6 of them, and I just make a Word document with the journal questions. And what I have them do is complete the lab, and then they can either hand complete or complete online and upload it. So they can screenshot it and upload it, or they can just complete it online, save it, and upload it to the assignment on Moodle. And I do a lot of these, and there's ones from Glencoe, and you can also go here, think, /Mater Inquiry 14. Okay, and this one, if you go to this one, it's not the one I was thinking of. This, okay, it's here, I think. Okay, table of contents. They don't let you do it anymore. Okay, they've got it to where you can't do the labs. Oh, okay, so you can't go there anymore. You have to use the Glencoe labs. All right, so anyway, good luck, and the quizzes that I have put in Moodle, I'll be glad for you to just have. So